Okay, so we had a question about how to change the font on all of the slides at once. So first you need to know what slide or what font you're using, and I am in Haas Grotesque Text Pro. So then we're going to go to Home, which we're already on, and we're going to go all the way over here to the Editing section and click Replace Fonts. It'll pop up with this little window and you'll see Replace. You'll drop that menu down to select the font that you want to replace. Haas Grotesque Pro for this one. And then the next one under With, you're going to select what font you want to replace it with. So I'm just going to pick something random here and hit Replace, and you will see that now it is showing in a new font. Do keep in mind that this is probably going to change the size of the text boxes throughout your presentation, so you're probably going to have to go back through and make some adjustments to make sure it still fits the way that you want it to, and maybe change sizes on things like that. But that's it.